Let's show them all your little drawings.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it. Oh.
What was that?
Yay.
Go take them, show them.
Here is My Little Pony, Fluttershy, and this Poppy, and this is like a little water star.
Hey, let's show them how tall you are. Let me have that. Let's see if you've grown at all. Alright, see? Oh wow, you have grown, Cora.
That means. Wow, like.
Yep. So, long story short, for obvious reasons that we travel overseas and we rent a place, we necessarily don't want to buy a lot of stuff for the house because one, we won't be able to take it back with us to San Antonio. And this is Akila's idea, just to not have so much plain walls, just to have some decorations and for Cora and have some color. Hey, Cora and Isa are all mine and we are going to the beach today, so we'll see you there.
Comes and goes, it goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in my soul.
Come on, Isa.
My weakness comes and goes.
Where are we, Cora?
At the beach.
Yeah. What country and what city are we in? Do you know that? Starts with an I. Israel and Haifa is the city. Can you say that? Haifa, Israel? Isa! Come on, let's go see the beach. We're in Haifa, Israel. I got the girls for the day. And we're at the beach. This is the Mediterranean.
They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw.
Well, that's a wrap. That was our day at the beach with Dad. We survived. We have a whole lot of sand in the car.
Remember the time you drove all night
And it's time to take showers
just to meet me in the
and eat. And we'll see how they do waking
And I
up.
thought it was strange, you said everything changed. You felt as if you just woke up.
And we're out.
And you said
I give in to the lesser fight.